Jordan Cottrell di bod yn fywiog i'r Barri ers dychwelyd o'i anaf. Cottrell ymlaen at drwffa hi a cyffyrddiad i lwybr Southam ar ergyd. Ond oedd hi'n syth at Leeds i yn y gol. Cyd chwarae taclus gan yr ymwelwyr. Fahia ar cyffyrddiad, yr ergyd gan Southam. Sheehan at Ceri Morgan, mae'r bêl yn cael ei dwyn gan y Barri, Callum Sainty. Baslor Cai a mae'n ras rwan rhwng Kane McLagan a Lee Sermon. Mae McLagan tu ôl i'r amddiffynwr a mae'n cael ei dynnu'r llawr gan gapten Caerfyrddin, y dyfarnwr Bryn Mackham Jones. Mynd i'w boced a mae'n gerdyn coch i Lee Sermon. Hen air lawr i 10 dyn wedi chwarter awr, ond Sermon yn dadle bod Cummings yno hefyd a'r capten oedd yr amddiffynwr ola. Troy Greening, digonedd o le gan Jordan Cottrell yng nghanol Cai. Cyfle i ergydio y gwiriad i lwybr Sainty! Ac mae'n cosi'r trawst gan Callum Sainty. A Mark Hazelwood yn gandryll fod Cottrell wedi cael gymaint o le i gymryd yr ergyd gyntaf yna. Jordan Cottrell yn troi Ceri Morgan. Codi ben, di gweld yr hediad gan Macaulay Southam. Y cyffyrddiad heibio'r golwr, mae'r ongl yn dyn. Ond Southam yn gwasgu'r bêl i gefn y rhwyd a mae'r Barri ar y blaen. Di chydig dros hanner awr o'r gêm. Bas di mesur yn berffaith gan Cottrell. Ond mi o gan Southam ddigon i wneud hefyd. Jordan Cottrell di bod mor ddylanwadol heno yma. Llan at Southam, mae McLagan di mynd ar hediad lawr y chwith. Cael ei warchod gan Cummings, McLagan yn gryf, troi'r amddiffynwr. McLagan ar ergyd! Yn cael ei gwiro i gefn y rhwyd. Ond mi fydd Kane McLagan yn hawlio'r gol. Degfed gol y tymor i'r ymosodwr bach, a mi nath o'n dda i greu lle i ergydio. Kyle Bassett ar arwydd. Gigon nad i fewn, mae Mike Lewis di dod a di dyrnu. Yn dim ond ag at Kieran Lewis ar ergyd. A'r bêl cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell. Dwi'n credu mai pyniad o'r i, nid arbediad. Dechneg yn hyfryd gan Kieran Lewis fod tu fewn i droed. Lewis ar gic rydd. Chwipio'r bêl i fewn, y pyniad. A Liam Griffiths. Ryllu gedyn o baith i Caerfyrddin, dim ond 5 munud sy'n weddill. Alla mai gol gysur fydd hi. Liam Griffiths oedd ar pyniad i gefn y rhwyd.
Delighted to get the win, you know, difficult place to come. You know, I've been watching Carmarthen's games recently and they've been playing quite well actually. Been, you know, unfortunate in some cases not to get wins, so we knew it was going to be a tough game. So delighted about getting the 3 points and yeah, on to the next one.
From our point of view, it's a poor red card. I was actually speaking to the linesman at the time, so I didn't really see too much of it. He's last man, he's pulled him down, so the decision is probably the right one. But from our point of view, it's a very, very poor positional and organisational red card.
Yes, it's been okay. There's been some really good highlights, you know, but at times we've probably let ourselves down as well, and that's us still sort of feeling our way, you know. But I think there's still more to come from this team. I think that you know, we're going to a really exciting and busy festive period now, so yeah, hopefully more growth to continue.
Like I said, we'll regroup. We've just had a quick chat in there. What can you do? You keep going, and hopefully things will turn for us.